The next time you see some really nice Thai basil at your Asian or international grocery store, pick up a bunch and give this recipe a try. Start out by removing the leaves from the stems and then giving them a rough chop. I'm keeping it kind of simple, so I'm also chopping up 4 Thai chili peppers, a couple of cloves of garlic, and about 1/3 of an onion. If you're not sure how spicy you can handle it, then take out the seeds from the peppers and just cut them in half. That way you can pick them out later. Over medium-high heat, go ahead and get your wok good and hot and add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm browning up 1 pound of ground chicken, and my seasoning for it is a 1-to-1 sauce made with oyster sauce and soy sauce. I also add a dash of garlic powder, some black pepper, and about a half teaspoon of chili paste. If you don't have any, then a good dose of sriracha would work as well. Now stir this all up and let the chicken cook. After a couple of minutes, it should look like this, and then you just add in your aromatics. I like to cook the onions just a little bit so they get nice and tender before I add the basil, the peppers, and the garlic. Overall, this dish shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes total to cook. Adjust your seasonings at this point if you need to, and voila, you've made a perfectly authentic Thai stir-fry dish. Serve it over white rice with a fried egg and a little hot sauce on the side. If you don't care for ground meat, then you can absolutely use sliced chicken, beef, pork, or even tofu. This recipe is both simple and versatile as well. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever made a Thai basil stir-fry before? I'd love to hear from you.